Leah Pizzetti joining us with in for Allison Gargale. Wow, we're in August and we're in the mid-90s. Beautiful.
Yeah, I think our forecast is a little confused about what month it is. It certainly doesn't feel like August outside. As we take a couple live looks across our county, we can see these gorgeous cirrus clouds decorating those blue skies for us. Bakersfield, Grapevine, Lake Isabella, Tehachapi. What a spectacular day today. Right now in Bakersfield, our warmest point of the day, we're at 89 degrees. We're typically in those mid-90s. That's our seasonal average. Moderate air quality in store for us. An AQI of 97 for today. Tomorrow, our air quality continues to improve. An AQI of 57, technically still in the moderate range, but so close to that good range. Much better than what we've been seeing the past couple days through this last weekend. And to go hand in hand with this better air quality, these cooler temperatures are sticking around for the time being. That does mean those lower 90s for our valley, 92 degrees expected for Bakersfield. And for our mountain communities, we're talking about some of those upper 70s for our higher elevations, our Tehachapi, Fraser Park, hanging out in those lower 80s, our Kern River Valley, those upper 80s, breaking through those 90s for Kernville and Lake Isabella, and then our desert communities with those 90s. Some triple digits popping up, Ridgecrest looking like we could cap out at that 100 degrees, but for the most part, those 90s for our desert communities. As we break down our day tomorrow in Bakersfield, we see right now we have those high thin clouds. Similar situation tomorrow, some cloud coverage, but dominated by those sunny skies by 9 a.m. Only 71 degrees. Lunchtime, you should have lunch outdoors tomorrow. 83 degrees to go with that almost good air quality. And we can see those clouds popping up on our radar for tomorrow. In the morning, those very mild winds. By the evening, late afternoon into the evening, some very mild winds popping up, but nothing like we saw last night. Just looking at about that 10 to 15 mile per hour range for our mountain and our desert communities for tomorrow evening. As we take a look ahead, these cooler temperatures sticking around through the remainder of this week. We can see by Friday still at that 92 degrees. Our Labor Day weekend, Saturday looking like September 1st. Monday is Labor Day. Starting to see a very slight warm up into those mid-90s, but that's our seasonal average. Kern River Valley hanging out right around that 90-degree mark through the upcoming week. Tehachapi barely into those 80s. Fraser Park, a similar situation, those lower 80s. And I do want to say that we saw that warming trend heading into mid next week. Models are showing different things. Some are showing a warm up, some are showing a cool down. Yeah, we can talk about that later.
Fingers crossed for the cool down.
Yeah, let's get that model in here.
Leah, thanks. Coming up next, he's the comedian.